Dear friends, my name is Joseph Jayawardena. I am the founder of the company which produces the brands Poly Tea and Sherry Tea. We have been producing these teas for the last 30 years. Poly Tea and Sherry Tea have the world's best range of teas. Today I am going to show you how we should prepare a perfect cup of tea. First of all, I am going to show you how to prepare a leaf tea, and then I will show you how to prepare a tea bag. We should have a pot of tea like this and the cups, and if you are making leaf tea you need a strainer. The boiler should be clean and have fresh water, and now we will boil the water. Whilst the water is being boiled, I'll open this. So we will prepare tea for 2 people. Because this is big leaf tea, we will use 2 teaspoons of tea for 1 person, and we are going to make tea for 2 people. That's 4 teaspoons of tea for 2 people. It's very important to make sure that this container is sealed well, because fresh air should not go into the tea leaves, because fresh air with tea leaves can make the taste different. As I told you that we are boiling the water. The water has to be 100 degrees centigrade. In other words, it has to be at boiling point. Now it is at boiling point. The distance between the pot and the kettle should not be too far. And now I am pouring exactly for 2 people. First we will close this pot like this, and we will wait for 1 minute or maybe even 30 seconds. It's very whilst we wait, I'll tell you it's necessary that you have 1 teaspoon of tea per person. I had 2 teaspoons because it's leaf tea, but if it's tea powder you have 1 teaspoon. If you're making tea for more than 3 people, you make for 3 teaspoons for 3 people, and add another spoon because there's more water in this pot for 3 people, and the tea will brew better. So now it's about 30 seconds. I will open this and stir this maybe 3 or 4 times like this and close the pot. Now we have to wait for maybe 3 minutes more, and whilst I'm waiting for 3 minutes, I'll tell you some things about tea. In this pack we have big leaf tea. Big leaf in the sense it is a very large leaf. I'd like to show you what this tea is. This is the big leaf tea. It is full leaf tea. You can take a closer look. It's full leaf Ceylon tea. This is a tea which is not damaged. It is hand picked. It is made perfectly. It's the full leaf of tea from the plant. It's basically the highest quality of tea that you can find in Sri Lanka. Now after we wait, after about 2 or 3 minutes, we stir once again. Now the tea is ready to be served. You serve it with a strainer because there's tea leaves in it. And I will show you this tea in a glass to see, because you will also see the color of the tea. It is very important that you separate the leaves from the tea after a maximum of 4 minutes. You should not leave the water and the tea leaves together, because the tea will be overbrewed and the taste can be affected. So 3 minutes is ideal. This is a perfect color for this big leaf tea. It's a mild red cup, which is this tea has a mild flavor. It's not very strong, but it has a very pleasing taste. This is a tea which is suitable to be consumed by any country in the world. A full leaf tea which is mild, nice flavor and a refreshing taste. Now we will prepare a tea bag. So this is quality English breakfast tea bag. Tea bags are for convenience, as you know. There are people prefer leaf tea. Some people prefer tea bags. Tea bags is for convenience. In this package, we have 100 tea bags of English breakfast tea. This is how it looks. We have the same thing in sherry tea also. I'll boil the water again. We take 1 tea bag out. 1 tea bag per person. Here again, we boil the tea. It's very important that the water boils to 100 degrees. When it's 100 degrees, it steams well. And then you switch off the kettle and pour the water into the cup right up to the top. If you want, you can add milk later. In this process, we should keep this tea bag also in the cup for up to about 3 minutes. And the tea that we use for tea bag, whilst we are waiting for these 3 minutes, the tea that we use for tea bags is a fine tea. I'll open a tea bag to show you what the tea is like. This is the tea that you use for tea bags. It's a fine powder. So the big leaf is something like this, and the tea bag tea is a powder. Same tea plant, only the process of manufacturing is different. So there are consumers all over the world. Some people prefer to drink this tea. You will soon see the difference of the 2 cups. The tea bag is something which people use for convenience to make a quick cup of tea, and also it's easier to clean up everything that you have made the tea with. Like the teapot will have tea leaves in it. You have to use a strainer. So, but if you make a leaf tea, most people prefer to make a leaf tea because they like to be involved in the process of making the tea and to make the tea exactly the way they want. In the case of a tea bag, it is speed. It's nothing but speed. So they need a tea bag where the color comes out fast, where the taste comes out well, and that the tea is ready to drink quickly. Now this tea bag is in this. Actually, if you look at this, there is very strong tea at the bottom in the cup, and the water is milder on the top. That is because the tea infusion is coming out of the tea bag slowly. So if you just move the tea bag maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, the tea will brew better. The hot water comes into contact with the leaves. That's another thing I want to tell you. This small leaf has more particles, more areas of tea where hot water comes into contact with. So the tea is very strong because of that. In this leaf, the hot water comes into contact, for example, on a small surface, whereas these small grains have hot water coming into contact with all of them, making the tea stronger very fast. Now this is the leaf tea, and this is the tea bag tea. I will take the tea bag out to show you the difference. The tea bag is on my right and the leaf tea is on the left. The tea bag is stronger, and the quality English breakfast tea bag has a different flavor, more suitable for milk because it's stronger. Now this tea, once you prepare, you can add sugar according to the way you would like to have. If you want it sweeter, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar. There are people who add also a slice of lemon to get that flavor. Then you can add milk. In places where you would prefer to drink with milk, you can add milk. This is the way the black tea is made. We also have green tea, tea bags and leaf tea. Green tea, the difference is that in the process of manufacturing tea, it's not fired, so it doesn't become black. There's a process in manufacturing called firing. That's all. Otherwise the tea is the same. And the way you make green tea, the most important thing that you have to remember is, you remember we discussed about boiling water to 100 degrees. You should do that and let the water cool till it's about 90 degrees. Now you wouldn't be measuring exactly how 90 degrees is, but you need to make it a little cooler. So I would say once you boil the water, if you switch off the switch or the fire, if you stay for 1 minute, that's sufficient. Within a minute the water will go down to 90 degrees, and you prepare the tea the same way as we prepared now. So that's how tea is made. Thank you.